Me too. You know,
Hey, 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 hey. She knows how to.
so what type of video?
I'll like burn myself for sure.
Oh no.
I'm gonna have you switch over this way, so I'll be closer to you. Yeah. Great. Now you can eat too.
Ow.
Do your hair. So kind of reach in real quick to scrub the tissue.
And are you okay with me putting product in it?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Because some girls are like, no product. Like some
Oh,
girls are
God,
like really
no.
picky. I'm just like, whatever. Pull my
Oh,
hair.
it's
I don't
cute.
care.
This is
I know.
my hair.
Some of the models that we work with are like, oh, I don't want fake eyelashes. Like, it bothers my eyes. Some of them are like so like
Wow.
picky. Yeah.
Okay.
Then they're not real.
Okay, I'm not picky. I'm not picky
either too. I'm like,
Yeah.
give me the eyelashes.
Yeah.
You have super thin hair, so do I. You're super soft.
Ooh, that smells good.
This stuff is awesome. It holds curl really well. Is that like all natural? Your hair color?
Mm-hmm.
Because it looks super healthy. Like
Thank
your hair
you.
looks like virgin hair.
Thank you.
So does it hold a curl?
If it's really hot, yeah,
Okay.
it will. Yeah.
I just wanted like loose waves too, so your hair's kind of already wavy.
Yeah, so I had like some nice natural texture to it.
This is like the easiest hairstyle for me because I just put in tails at night and then I sleep on it.
Oh yeah,
The next
yeah.
morning I'm like, look.
That's awesome.
When my hair's longer, I would like when it was a little bit damp, I'd like